Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to colorizing this picture, white and black or blank picture, to coloring picture with Adobe Photoshop. But in this step you maybe see some problem. I want you contacting with me. I have my social contacts from my channel in description box from my channel. You can contacting with me with WhatsApp and Instagram and Snapchat and other like Facebook and line chat. For if you see any problem, tell me for I fixing it for you. So let's go starting. Going to open and getting the original picture or the blanket picture and going to the filter and opening neutral filter and waiting to the least opening when open it and coming down and selecting colorize. And now in here in the four colors you can change the color effect of this picture. You can see, for example, we're making like this and getting the second line color into here. Okay, you can see now it's colorized. So this video is come to end. I hope you don't forget like this video and share it to learning another people's and subscribe my channel to see more video in soon time. So thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you again.